Welcome back, guys. So let me fix this. Anyways, alright guys, welcome back. As you can see, I'm in the Magnitude driving by myself. So shout out to Todd. He commented on one of our videos letting us know that Vroom is actually, there's an authorized installer in San Diego. So I'm headed there now because I set up an appointment for this month, the month of May, and we're gonna get this thing fixed. I'm so excited. I mean, Vroom had told me they had authorized dealers. I just didn't know that there was one available. So I did reach out to Vroom and asked him to confirm, like, hey, I heard you guys had somebody out in San Diego. We'd like to get our stuff fixed sooner than October. So that's where I'm headed now, guys. I'm gonna drop it off. So I know Vroom does guarantee same day when you're out in Tucson. However, this specific location, he didn't want to guarantee all day because he didn't want me sticking around. So I did make arrangements to hop on a train to go back home after this. And then tomorrow's Friday. Hopefully, when I get there, depending on, you know, what they tell me, or by the end of the day today, then I hop on a train tomorrow morning to go pick it up and then head back home. I am by myself, so I'm super nervous, guys. I mean, I've towed a boat with this all the way to Arizona, but Kevin was with me, so I'm just by myself, just a little nervous. I don't know why. It's a big rig. I'll be taking the 5 all the way to San Diego. I don't know, wish me luck. So I will see you guys in a couple of hours. It should be, I'm gonna try to get onto the freeway now early enough so that, you know, there's less traffic for me, not as much, you know, cars on the road. So that should help me out a bit. I'll try my best to take it easy, take it slow, no rush, and I'll see you guys in San Diego. Passing the boobs. Passing San Onofre, guys. Doing okay. Doing okay. Getting there. Almost there. Alright, so we just passed by San Onofre. Those two boobs. I mean, so far, so good. Kevin called. He checked up on me. It's a little overcast, so I can see the ocean. So I'm driving along the coast now on the 5. I think I got about 40 more miles. Other than that, the driving is good because if you guys have been following along, we've added the Fox shocks, we added the Fox stabilizer. Like, it's just, if I leave my hand off, I'm pretty comfortable. I'm not like death gripping or anything. I'm keeping a pace of like 68, 70, maybe less. Right now, the traffic isn't too bad after I got out of Orange County. Other than that, not too bad. Ooh, there is a nice view of the coast, which you guys can't see because if I hold my camera up, it's very overcast right now. So I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. Alright, here we are, guys. RV specialist. Now I just need to find my way in.
Your destination is on the left.
Oh, well, there she said it. Alright, turning in. Alright, here we are. Alright guys, going to see her in a few days. It's not going to be ready next day. So I'm going to drop it off and we'll be back. Right now I'm just waiting for my Lyft ride so I can hitch a train ride home. Other than that, this is like the area that I kind of drove in. The road's a little shaky, but I made it, guys. So we'll see her back in a few days. Lyft driver's on his way. One last goodbye. And of course, some thumbnail shots. Alright guys, I am here at the Amtrak station, just waiting for my train. I am super early. Amtrak called and changed my early flight, and it's gonna be a lot later until they show up, so I'm just hanging around waiting for the train. I'm probably gonna get lunch or something like that, but this is actually my first train experience, so thanks for joining, guys. I should be fine. All right, let's find breakfast. I actually haven't had breakfast. I just had my protein coffee. But and the weird thing is that the station closes on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and what do you know, today's a Thursday, so of all of the days, of course, on the day that I'm here, so there isn't really anyone to talk to confirm, you know, what ride you're hopping on and all that stuff. So I mean, I'll be fine. I was speaking to a nice lady. She's having the same thing, same issue, trying to figure it out, but we're here. But yeah, guys, we're here. I'm here by myself, just waiting for the train. Looking for breakfast, looking for something to eat. I want to get home. Well, so in a couple of days, the RV specialist should be complete. So it's not a next day thing either. I think he said Wednesday. Today's Thursday, but he said it may be sooner. So if it's any sooner, I told him, well, just, you know, give me a heads up at least a day before. That way I can book another train ride out, because Kevin isn't joining me. He's working. He makes more working than I do. So I have the paid time off. So does he, but it just makes more sense for him. It doesn't make sense for two of us to go drop the RV off and pick it up. I did fine. I did okay driving here. As you can see, I made it. Just waiting for the train. But I can't wait till we get the rig back. It's not gonna be I mean, from the looks of it, it's not gonna be done until possibly before Memorial Weekend. That'd be great, because we do want to head out that weekend. If not, we can just take the 7-3 in the boat and hang out. That's one good thing about us, is that we work hard and we have many different toys to keep us occupied on the weekend, or we have projects at home. Thanks for joining me, guys. I guess I'll see you guys when I come back to pick up the rig. But this is just our update. Thanks for joining. Alright, guys, just walking around because I'm waiting for my train, but check this out. A nice morning stroll. It's cold to hang out at the beach today, but here we are. So this is Solana Beach, guys. That's where that's how close the RV specialist's shop was to Solana Beach, and that was the nearest train station. The other one would be reverse at Old Town San Diego, but it didn't make sense for me to backtrack. But yeah, check this out. I mean, I have the time. I'm waiting for my delayed train, so thanks for hanging out at the beach with me, guys. That was actually a nice walk. I enjoyed it. Now I just have to wait for my train, guys.
Alrighty, folks, now that we are on our way again, our next stop is going to be our final stop of the morning at Oceanside. Oceanside is the transfer point for those northbound buses. So all passengers must detrain. This train will be going out of service once we arrive.
Alright guys, back at home. It's Saturday and we're just, well, there's no RV, so we're just going to enjoy the weekend. Camera over. Jay is waiting for the sun. There's no sun this weekend, but Kevin's out here finishing up some bacon for some breakfast shots because we don't have anything planned this weekend other than, you know, wait for the RV. We thought about taking the boat out for a day trip, but the weather's just not looking up to par.
Oh, plus we gotta take out the seats.
So we're just gonna do some breakfast shots. If you know what breakfast shots are, then you know. If you don't, then yeah, you know. The shout out to our camping friends, Tim and his family. Other than that, guys, yesterday, Friday, RV specialist Matt did call me back, and he did tell me that they were done. Yesterday, it was like when we were having dinner.
Yeah, it was a good turnaround, actually.
Yeah, so I dropped it off Thursday morning. They're all done. They finished it up yesterday, Friday, and yeah, I told them just to give me an advance notice, and I'll just hop on the train again. So I told them most likely Tuesday, only because I got a busy workload that I want to just clear off my desk at work. So I'll hop on a train, like, I think it's 7 a.m. or something. Kevin's going to drop me off before work, and then I'll head back. Other than that, guys, this weekend's video was just the drop-off video. It's kind of a teaser, but at least you know it's done. The slide out's done. So
I know, right? I'm super excited for it.
Check back with us next week, and we'll show you the guys the results. So have a nice weekend, guys. Enjoy. Thanks for joining us every weekend. Appreciate it.
See you guys.
See you guys
Bye.
next week. Bye.